When it comes to BioNEET preparation, students find it difficult to remember examples, terms, and biological concepts of 38 lessons. You prepare a list of keywords. What is the meaning of that? What is the biological significance? Where is it located? How is it formed? Why is it formed? How is this different from the previous one? In this video, I shall focus the differences just by keeping two terms, primary, secondary. Well, this is purely NCERT. Primary response, secondary response, primary pollutant, secondary pollutant. What is primary response? When the antigen enters the body, the immune system prepares antibody against the antigen. You will have symptoms of diseases. But when the same antigen comes again, your memory cells increase the concentration of antibodies. Therefore, you will have better defense. What is primary pollutant? What is secondary pollutant? Pollutants originate from industries, vehicles. They are all primary pollutants. Pollutants develop due to reactions in the atmosphere. It could be ozone or PAN. So that is very clear. What is primary pigment and what is accessory pigment? Chlorophyll A is primary pigment because it undergoes photoexcitation. Chlorophyll B and any other pigment would be accessory pigment. Accessory pigment will not undergo photoexcitation. Accessory pigments transfer energy to chlorophyll A, and they can also prevent photoexcitation or degradation of chlorophyll A. Then where did you study this? Primary treatment and secondary treatment. It comes in sewage treatment. Filtration or sedimentation would be simply primary treatment. We mix flocks and try to improve dissolved oxygen content of the water. That is secondary treatment. What is primary host and what is secondary host? Mosquito becomes primary host for Plasmodium because Plasmodium undergoes sexual reproduction. Human body becomes the secondary host. What is primary structure and what is secondary structure? Where did you study this? A protein will have primary structure. It is maintained by amino acid sequence stabilized with the help of peptide bond. Secondary structure would be stabilized by hydrogen bonds, ionic bonds, van der Waals force, or other type of covalent and non-covalent interactions. Proteins can also have tertiary quaternary structure. Well, that depends on number of polypeptide. What is primary lymphoid organ? Thymus and bone marrow are primary lymphoid organs. Any other would be secondary lymphoid organ. Primary lymphoid organs have direct role in production and maturation of BRT lymphocytes. Similarly, what is primary consumer? Herbivores are primary consumers. Carnivores are secondary consumers. You study this primary growth, secondary growth. Linear growth in plant is primary growth. Lateral growth is secondary growth. Primary constriction and secondary constriction. A centromere is primary constriction. The constriction which is associated with nuclear or organizing region is secondary constriction. We may not find secondary constriction in all chromosomes. Based on the position of secondary constriction, primary constriction, we classify different chromosomes. Follicle, primary follicle and secondary follicle. In the initial stage of follicle development, the prophase 1 stage would be covered by granulosa cells. After some time, it would be covered by granulosa cells plus theca interna, etc. So that is developing follicle in ovary. Similarly, primary productivity and secondary productivity. That comes in ecosystem. Rate of formation of organic matter by plants. That is primary productivity. Then what is secondary productivity? Rate of formation of organic matter by consumers. Similarly, primary wall and secondary wall. You study that in cell structure topic. Primary wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. Secondary wall is lignified on the inner surface of the primary wall. Primary succession and secondary succession. Where did you study this? In ecological succession, development of community starts from pioneer species on bare rock. That is primary. After some time, communities appear in the ecosystem. It is destroyed due to some reasons. But succession will continue from the intermediate stage. That becomes secondary succession. Similarly, primary spermatocyte and secondary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte is diploid, secondary spermatocyte is haploid. Primary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis. Secondary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis too. Similarly, we recognize primary oocyte and secondary oocyte in oogenesis and spermatogenesis process. And lastly, primary metabolite and secondary metabolite. Plants and many microbes prepare primary metabolites. These primary metabolites are necessary for the development of the species. Secondary metabolites are not required for growth or development. Then why does the plant species produce secondary metabolite? It is necessary to avoid herbivore or pathogens. It is just the comparison, clear comparison between primary, secondary. You can add few more things of this type from the NCERT. Now, what type of questions would be asked from this kind of things, like when we say this is the difference between this and this? Let me observe this sample question. Which one of the following is not an example of secondary metabolite? Look, penicillin. This is produced by Penicillium notatum. It's an example of ascomycete. This belongs to the category of alkaloid. Well, Penicillium is not benefited from this. It means this is secondary metabolite. You study this in ecology. Calotropis has cardiac glycosides. They are terpenoids. They are secondary metabolites. Calotropis will avoid herbivores. Reserpine, it comes in biodiversity topic. Rauwolfia has this drug. It's also used in treatment of lowering blood pressure. This cannot be a primary metabolite. It is secondary metabolite. Reserpine is secondary metabolite. Glycosides are secondary metabolites. Penicillin is secondary metabolites. Plants prepare three categories of secondary metabolites: alkaloids, terpenoids, and phenolics. You can remember this very easily. Alkaloids, terpenoids, phenolics. Look at this first option. This is not alkaloid. This is not terpenoid. This is not phenolic compound. This is pigment. This is necessary for photosynthesis. It can't be a secondary metabolite. So you will not have any doubt. Obviously, this is the answer. This is not a secondary metabolite. It is primary metabolite. So, thank you for watching.